Hello viewers, welcome to today's episode of Mathematics Tutorials on Facebook. My name is Eric. Now I have this question on the board to solve with you. So that's our question for today. Now the question says find the value of x if we have into brackets 1 over 27 raised to the power x minus 1 is equal to 9 raised to the power 2x, right? So now what we're going to do is let's put here solution, and then we have the question once again, which is 1 out of 27 raised to the power x minus 1 to be equal to 9 raised to the power 2x. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to break 1 out of 27 using a base of what? 3. And then we do the same thing to 9 also. So we shall break both 1 out of 27 and 9 using a base of 3 and a power. So what we're going to do is that let's put our equal sign here. We know that 3 raised to the power 2 in exponential form will give us 9. So 9 can be rewritten as 3 raised to the power 2. Then let's put a bracket and put our 2x over here. Now let's come to the this side, that is the left hand side here. What we have is 1 out of 27. Now 1 out of 27 in terms of 3 is the same as we know that 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So that is 3 raised to the power 3 will give us 27. But this is not 27, it's 1 out of 27. So this 3 must be negative. So that if we have a raised to the power negative m is equal to 1 over a raised to the power m. That is the negative exponent law. Okay, so from the negative exponent law, this has been written in this form. You can see. So we have to write it in this form. So writing this in this form is the same as 3 raised to the power negative 3. I hope that makes sense. All right, so let's quickly wipe this off. And quickly, we have, so this is going to be 3 raised to the power negative 3, which is the same as 1 out of 27. Then we put into brackets our x minus 1. That is it. All right, so we're done with that. Now, from the same basis with different exponent rule, when we have the same basis with different exponents, for instance, if I say that a raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power n, then it follows that it implies that it implies that m is equal to n. So m is equal to n. That's what we do. So when the bases are the same with different exponents, then the corresponding exponents are what? Equal. When bases are what? Equal, then the exponents are also equal. So that's what we are saying. This is a here, this is our m here, this is our a here, this is our n here. So if this is equal to this, if 3 is equal to 3, then negative 3 into bracket x minus 1 is also equal to, so we shall equate. That's what we do. So let's quickly wipe this off. And then applying that rule, we shall have negative 3 into bracket x minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to the power 2x. And that will give us negative 3 times x. By expanding this bracket to give us negative 3x, and negative 3 times 1 will give us positive 3 to be equal to 2 times 2x will give us 4x. And that, by grouping like terms, we shall have, we can decide to bring this 4 over here, so we shall have negative 3x minus 4x to be equal to this 3 will cross the equal sign, it will be negative 3. All right, but then, so let's continue from this part of the board. So we shall have negative 3x minus 4x will give us negative 7x to be equal to negative 3. That's what we have. So we are looking for x. What shall we do? We shall divide both sides of the equation by negative 7. So this will give us negative 3 also over negative 7. So negative 7 cancels negative 7. Our x is equal to negative cancels negative. We have 3 out of 7. So on that note, our x is equal to 3 out of 7. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.